AMZN.com here now live with MMTs. It's a wonderful day for us for one reason, because the name is going to report earnings here. 12:52 p.m. 1/31/2012. This is the timestamp of the name making a half delta negative retracement to 189.7. MMTs were in full engagement in this area live on this very trading day at negative half delta, drop down, wholesale bid, and then the equity itself from there as buying back up toward the highs of 195.63. You're not all the way there. There's going to be a big knee-jerk reaction in these earnings. We got lower bids. I can tell people a good, sometimes if the report isn't so bad, and if there's like a $5 to $7 drop down, but right out of the gate, if it starts racing, it pulls back a little bit and you would want to get the entry, and then that thing would just have to be torpedoing like it is right now. Just remember that Amazon's got a lot of negativity on it about the operating cost and about the fundamentals that we know well. I can't go into that now. We're going to report in about 7 minutes into that closing bell, featuring Amazon right above us up here. Heavyweight Broadcom, back in the dot bomb days, is scheduled to report its quarterly earnings, which seasonality-wise they do good. They're in the communications business, really, making devices that pair up things, headsets, and all kinds of different things they do. However, we'll be watching them. Here's that Amazon breakout live, here and now, live, here and now. Timestamp, 12:53 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, double top breakouts, full alert. Wholesale bids were being created right over here. They were being bought here, breaking out, pulling back, breaking out all day. They shook that thing down short. That was the bottom. We had everyone involved, 1, 2, 3, three teeny breakout all day right into the close, and that's what it would look like. And sure enough, he's right there at 34 pennies by 35, 33, 36, as they go right down to the 6-minute closing bell on Amazon.com. Amazon.com has been a bellwether for quite a while, and the execution of the company has been great. We're going to find out who comes out ahead. Is it the buyer or is it the seller? Right now, we're breaking out toward those highs as anticipated. When we took out this little double top, you pull back your teeny, sure. But when you broke out, I was going through it live, hey, and you would get that upside, and you would exit here into the rally. So, yeah, you get the little double breakout. Yeah, you're elevated. Everything's working your way, and you're selling into the rally now, Tom. And there's your 35 pennies, okay? And that was at $1.40. I said, so when we broke out, right, was right here at 193. Remember I said 193 and get to the top up here? Okay? And you're there. 33, 34 by 35, 33, 35, 33. Kind of racing around, bid and ask. 30 pennies, 29. Look at that. Sell that bid. Look at that wick. Amazon.com. 5 minutes to the closing bell. We finally made that upper breakout above that 193. What we do? We did what we always do. We took out these tops, but when we did take them out finally, we had that up bar to confirm it. That was a 1 teeny, 2 teeny, just a little shy of the 3 teeny. And now over here, you can see where your breakout diamonds have occurred right into that closing bell on full throttle strength. Look at him challenge that neighborhood. He got up above that 35 penny area, and he's working his way up there in that delta chain. And this is Amazon.com going into the earnings season. In case anyone ever wants to remember what it was before the report, you'll know by selling into that rally. Look at it break higher. They want to own it. Look at them. It's getting cooked for that breakout. Now, we do have price targets on it. If it does get a good earnings report, two deltas up in our system is going to be $201.89. And I'm also going to be looking at a full cap delta. That's at 197.02. That's not very far away. Big deal. So we start looking up above here that we could hit, let's say, 198.24. That's about $3.57 away. Here we are going into that 3-minute last hourly closing bell bar as MMTs get ready to steal the bid.